This is task 1 of lab 1. In this lab, we're going to build a priority encoder. What this is going to mean is that the highest, most prioritized switch that's on is going to be represented with an LED output. So here we have switches, and it's going to represent 0 through 7 for 8 bits. These top 3 LEDs are going to be used to represent that value in binary. So for instance, this leftmost switch, our 8th switch, representing 7, is correctly outputted in the binary. This switch, 0, 1, represented with a 1 output. This switch represented with a 2 output. Here we see 3. So the point of this is that if a higher switch is on, that's what should be outputted. So we have 6. If, for instance, another lower switch is turned on, this switch still has precedent and remains on. There's no addition that's happening, so even if I have 6 plus 1, which could still be outputted with these 3 LEDs, which would be 7, that's not what's going on here. This switch takes priority. If this switch goes away, it becomes whatever the highest switch that's on is. So here we see I've got 1, I've turned on 3, 3 is represented. I turn on 6 again. If I turn off 6, it reverts to 3 because 3 is the highest that's on. Now this can also be made, and I've annotated it in the program comments, so that if I wanted to, it could stay on with the last number that was switched to the on position, can stay in its place. But we don't have that at the moment. The light goes off when the switch goes off.